Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge because tomorrow I'm going to be doing my grocery shopping. It's been a little while since I've cleaned out my fridge properly. I usually just wipe down if there's any spills or mishaps in the fridge, but now I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge properly, throwing out anything that needs to be tossed out in preparation for a grocery shop tomorrow, and I will be filming that in this video as well. So it'll be clean out my fridge and a grocery haul. So let's get into it. have now completely cleared out the fridge, thrown away anything that needed to go, and given it all a good wipe down, so when I go grocery shopping tomorrow, I can put everything back in a nice clean fridge. Doing a voiceover because hubby was watching TV. I didn't get a lot. Got some peppers and some mange too, some dwarf beans and some close cap mushrooms. Got 2 different lots of onions because I'm completely out of onions. And these pink ladies were actually 6 for £1.50, which is really good. And I got a cantaloupe melon as well, and a watermelon, some satsumas, some spring onions, and some bananas. The bananas will have to have a chance to get ripe. I'm going to make some beef stroganoff this week, so I've got some beef, some steak there, and some ham for sandwiches. I'm making my goat cheese, pear and walnut salad this week as well, so the goat cheese is going for that. I've got some bacon for breakfast, and I wanted to try chicken and waffles, so I've bought some chicken thighs. I needed to stock up on a few long life milks because we're out of long life milk in the pantry, and some juices. I also needed to get paprika, so there was 2 for 150 at the moment, so I got 2 of those. And guys, I found Old Bay seasoning. This is the first time I've ever seen it sold in a supermarket in the UK, and I thought we'd give it a try. I know it is a staple in American households. So it was £2.50. I had it on my list to buy when we go to Florida in December, so I'm quite pleased that I found it now. And I just don't know how it's going to taste, so I'm quite interested in that. I've got the Flora was on offer for £3 for the big one, so I got one of those. And the baking block, I'm going to be baking for my daughter's birthday, so I got some baking blocks. And the butter was actually on offer for £1.75 a block, so I got some of those as well, because recently they've been about £2.20 each. Got some icing sugar and some beef granules, because we're having sausages and mash this week. And I got some toilet cleaner, some toilet bleach, because we have quite hard water in this area. I didn't buy a lot this week because I already shopped my pantry and shopped my supplies at home, and I already had quite a bit of meat and some freezer meals from the last time I did freezer meal, so I had more than enough in. So this is what I got for this week. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And until next time, friends, thanks.